Kristen here at Smart Mouse Travel, and we have just arrived in the new Moana themed rooms here at the Polynesian Resort at Disney World. Right away, I can tell the room feels so much brighter than the rooms did before the remodel. Storage space for suitcases under the bed, these nice little benches at the end of the bed, pops of color with the floral pillows, the blue. There are these awesome side tables on one side, and then there's an actual table here, and on the other side of the bed another little stand as well, so that way no matter who's sleeping on which side of the bed, they have a plug and a place to stick a phone at night. The decor in here is actually adorable too. So many, they're overt references to Moana, but they're really tastefully done. So it's hard to see with the glare, but you know, there's a Moana on this huge mural. There is Moana there and Maui there. And just the styling of the room is great. This room sleeps 5, so this is actually, in addition to being a couch, it is a fold out bed. So it just folds straight down, which is really convenient. So it can accommodate up to 5 people in this room. Here at the Polynesian, not every floor has balconies. So the 3rd floor of the building does have a balcony, but the 1st floor has a patio and the 2nd floor usually has nothing. Our view is actually looking over the main pool. It's actually very pretty. It's raining right now, so nobody's out there. The balconies are nice because they have the partitions for privacy, as well as 2 chairs and a little side table for just hanging out. Let's head back into the room and check out the bathroom as well as the improved closet space. Tons of storage actually in this room. There are 3 giant drawers. You can fit large packing cubes in there, would be my guess. Over here is the kitchen area. Hey. Keurig coffee pot, as well as all of your supplies. Tucked in underneath here, behind this little panel, is the beverage cooler. So these are smaller than like what you think of as a traditional college mini fridge, but they will definitely hold a few bottles of water, like a half gallon of milk, maybe a couple of snacks. The closet space is much improved. It reminds me a lot of the yacht club storage area. So there's shelves here with the safe, and then a full-length mirror too, which is actually really nice. Over here is the full-length closet, and then next to it are your extra pillows and blankets, another hanging space, and a couple of drawers underneath there. The bathroom has gotten a huge makeover from the old Polynesian rooms. There's double sink. The storage space is still pretty dodgy. There's just a little bit of space. These 2 shelves, and then there's these little cubbies on either side, but I'm not sure what would fit in there. There is a little bit more space in here. There's some shelving, and that's where your towels are. One improvement they've made in the new Polynesian rooms is the toilet is in a separate room with a pocket door. So that way if somebody has to go to the bathroom, somebody else can be using, brushing their teeth, getting ready in the morning. The shower is here, all redone. There's handheld as well as a waterfall, or a rain head, I should say. Shared toiletries, a little cubby there, and sliding doors. And it is a full tub. So if you have little ones, you can give them a bath. Overall, I am very impressed with the changes that they've made in the Polynesian rooms. The room feels more spacious, so much brighter than the old rooms. And in addition to having all these I also love the laminate floors. In addition to just looking beautiful, Polynesian has great on-site dining and great transportation options. So there's a walking path to the TTC, or you can walk all the way to Magic Kingdom, or take a boat. And there's a monorail that comes through just outside the Polynesian Great Ceremonial House. So overall, super happy with the changes that they made. It's beautiful here, and I'm really going to enjoy this stay. Thanks for following along on our tour of the new Moana themed Polynesian rooms. I can't wait to share our next adventure with you. Make sure you subscribe to Smart Mouse Travel, and that way you'll get notified of our next room tour and any other thing that we're up to these days. So thanks for following along, and make sure you hit subscribe. Thanks again.